Hello, yeah, this is that's what I've done. This is the mobile app that I have created, and it's a hybrid one. Means it can be worked on both the the iOS and the Android. And I'm looking at the server at this point, so I can see both of those versions. In iOS, this is the way it's gonna look. I just have to create the files for them, but it is already created. The program I already have programmed this. And that I can search for uh, particular artist. So it does have search functionality. It has to reduce some artist, but if I turn it back, it can refresh from its data. Um, I can, okay, let me look. Let me look at the functionality. Okay, I have this one, and I can see the artist, what it is, the particular artist detail. Then I can turn it back. I can give him a star, and I can just, if I want to, I can give him a star. I can see him like this. If I can turn him off, and then this is particular it's doing. So I have to fix this one. And this one was hamburger menu. It's supposed to take him to its personal profile, but it's not taking it. I will see why it's doing it. Or maybe the other one. This is not the complete version. So this one, again, it has artists, calendar, their events, and we can see all those events again. And it will, when you click this, gonna go back. So this is something that I have made on this one. I think I had completed it. I had finished all of its bugs, but this is the one it's not completed, I think so. So I have to go on the other one to try with another no command. And if I turn this one off, see here, see, okay, and I get out from this one, I go on this one, CD, desktop, okay, CD, try again, okay, and CD, my app. Okay, I'm here, next serve, one, okay, I got the other one. I think so this one is completed. And in that one, if I put the hamburger menu, well, it's still not doing it. Something, it had to do something in it. But when I click on it, it turns it back. I think so the hamburger should take it to this information, so I have to reduce this particular bug, and I have to change just some functionality, that when I click the hamburger button, then it's supposed to take it to the information of a particular artist. This is done. This is the iOS version, and here's the all details. So it was done. It was the done deal already on the other one. This is the Android. This is the Android one. Functionality, I don't know why it's showing this. I had given it the same command. It is the same command. It works in both, but in Android it works that way. If I go to the particular artist, I take the hamburger off, it gives the whole information. I can go back to the artist lists, and here is the calendar, the art, deep sea, all this. So in calendar we can also do something in it, as far as I remember. But here it is. Calendar. Yeah, I can trash the calendar. I can trash this one, or I can start this. I start this particular event. I can trash it if that's already have done. I think I should be able to refresh, and I have that functionality, but I have to look if I haven't done in this one. But in artists it is. In calendar, again, in calendar I do this, I star it in iOS, and if I trash it, do I? Yeah, and this one. I have to look into it. Okay, at this time it's giving me a hard time. I'm checking all these in the browsers. That is right. But I can develop this. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to be doing it. I will look into it again if I hit something. Uh, Here's the code. It is all JavaScript. It's Ionic. It's based on the Angular JS and the CSS, the same CSS SAS, and the HTML5. So it can be therefore it's a hybrid. It can work on all kind of platforms, because all you need is a Cordova. It's something some kind of a software that is called Cordova that creates that little browsers, a little window for a container for this application to work on everything. So it creates its own browser, not this browser. When I create the certain file for SDK or something, it will create its own browser, and then it will run on like a native application on any platform. So that's what it is at this point. And